I don't idle very well, and I get bored sitting in an office. So around here, you're always learning. I always wanted to be a mechanic and work on heavy equipment. For one, it's big and it's exciting. It's cool to look at when you drive by as a kid when you're 5 years old. Like, that's really cool. It'd be cool to work on. So when I finished high school, I thought I'll go work at a shop, help tidy up, organize things, and just try to sweep floors for a bit. And probably 3 or 4 months in, they offered me an apprenticeship. And I was like, this is a great opportunity to give myself a trade, something I can always rely on in the future. I work with some of the best mechanics around, and as well as the other apprentices. We're always challenging each other, working together and learning every day. I really like working on excavators. We've got 60 excavators or so. You can work from everything from older equipment that has basic hydraulic systems, basic engines, everything's mechanical, all the way to a lot of our newer stuff has GPS systems. It's all electrical, and there's so many opportunities to learn different things on one piece of equipment. In the future, I'd like to have my own service truck. My brother's a mechanic as well, and we'd potentially like to do our own thing. You look at all the people around who are really talented at what they do, whether it's in carpentry or pipe fitting or painting cars or there's hairdressing. It's not about what trade you're in, it's just about the opportunities you're willing to make for yourself. You just have to work hard and pick the one you want. My name's Nathan, I'm 20. I'm a heavy-duty mechanic apprentice.